Hey Loki, this is Manuel with Midtown Marketing. I have your website pulled up to go over your online presence. Good looking site, by the way. So looking through your site, having these click to call or form submits throughout your site will increase your conversions. That being said, your site is not secure, so you'll want to get that fixed right away. That way your client's personal information doesn't get hacked. One thing I would recommend is having more content throughout your home page. The reason for that is Google has bots scanning the web 24/7. They are looking at all your content on your site, seeing what your photos are saved as, trying to find keywords. So you want at least 1,500 words on your homepage to be considered an authority with Google. Then you want those keywords embedded throughout your content. And we'll go here, and here is an example of a keyword, Foundation Repair Dallas. We'll go past the ads and come down to the Google Map Pack section. 30 to 40% of your business will be in this section, so you'll want to be ranking in the top 3. How you outrank your competitors is having a Google business profile with more citations, a good amount of reviews, and photos. So what a citation is your company name, address, and phone number listed in other places like Yelp. Below, we'll start seeing the organic section, and the rest of your 60 to 70% of your business will come from here. This is where you want your website to be ranking. It's important to be on this first page because 90% of people won't go past this first page. You will get most of your traffic from being in the top 3 of your organic section and the Google Map Pack. Now let's take a look at the number 1 competitor, Premier Foundation Repair. As you can see, they have a decent amount of content and they have quite a few photos so they can hide their keywords. Now let's go look and see the back end of the websites. These are some ratings pulled from Google data. UR and DR are the trustworthiness and authority of a website. What makes those ratings are the number of backlinks coming from the referring domains. A backlink is a website linking to another, kind of like a shout out. It's important to note that not all backlinks are created equally. With that, there are high quality backlinks and also spammy ones to avoid, which would bring your numbers down. They also have 256 keywords. Now let's take a look at your website. You have 1 UR, 3.1 DR, coming from 538 backlinks and 117 referring domains with 449 keywords. You'll want to bring these numbers up, and how you do that is by having good quality backlinks and good buyer intent keywords. One way to get good quality backlinks is a copycat method. We'll go into your competitors' backlinks and you can link them to your website as well, because if it's helping them rank, it'll work for you. Now let's take a look at some keywords. A good buyer intent keyword is Foundation Repair Dallas, Dallas Foundation Repair. So you can see they have 1,000 searches per month, 150 per month, 100, and the list just keeps on going with plenty of other pages at the bottom. In conclusion, my recommendation for you is to have your Google Business Profile ranking, so you want to add citations, reviews, and photos, as well as adding content and keywords to your website and boosting your website's trustworthiness and authority with good quality backlinks. Thanks for taking the time to watch this video, and please let me know if this was helpful. Take care, Loki.